Here's a 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. Turn the ordinary of the everyday into an adventure every day with the versatile and fun Tiguan. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Climatronic dual-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, external memory control, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and integrated navigation system. Edmunds.com notes, climate and audio controls are well placed and intuitive, particularly the latest generation of the touchscreen interface. Volkswagen, where safety and performance come standard. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Contact Jim Ellis Volkswagen of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.